Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. I please do hope that you do subscribe to be part of this family. And for my returning subbies, welcome back, baby. I hope you guys have been treating yourselves well and that you do enjoy this new video. So, this is going to be our setup for now until I have figured out a perfect spot in the house where I can do my sit down videos and my hair videos. I bought hair again from the same vendor or salon. Or this hair is from Angela Baby Weaves, and they are based in Dragon City, but I normally just buy from them online. So this is my second week from them, and this week I'll let you guys in on it in a few. And it is curly, as you can see. The color is chocolate, and it is a lace wig, full frontal. And I had mine come pre-plucked, so they did pluck it a bit. I'm not sure if it's to the T. Sometimes I wish I could literally like do this and be able to hold both sides, but that's not possible. So unfortunately, I do not have a mirror in front of me. There's nothing in front of me that reflects what I'm doing right now, and I didn't connect my to anything which will show or demonstrate what I'm doing so I can see what you guys see, but use the other screen or the other reflection as a mirror. So I went and cut off the lace off camera because I do not trust myself to that extent. I do not think I'm capable of literally cutting the lace without looking. So yeah, that's what's up. So let's melt this baby. I'm just gonna go in with my hair dryer, cold setting. So yeah. Literally melt. I'm gonna try to style it. When laying awake, I think the finger picks up a lot more product, so, and you can also tell when the glue is getting dry, so maybe it helps in that case. So my loves, this is what the hair looks like, and I was going to style this hair, but my man says it looks like a natural hair. So from afar it looks like my natural hair according to him, but anyway, I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching up to this point. If you did, please make sure that you are subscribed, and more than anything, I hope you loved the video and that you enjoyed it. To many more hair installs, and until then my loves, bye.